Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat at welcome po sa isang tanging edisyon ng The Stock Market Today. Ngayon po ay February 21, 2023, Tuesday. Ang ating balita ay tungkol po sa SM Prime Holdings. Meron po siyang earnings report. And let's now go to the summary ng ating news item. Ito po ay makikita natin sa BDO Securities, no? Balance of payment posts, 3.1 billion surplus in January. Fitch says BSP policy rate may hit 6.5%. SMPH net income up 38% year-on-year to 30.1 billion. Ito po ang ating main news. MPI LR Group to build biggest vegetable greenhouse. Pet food line boosts growth of AEV agribusiness unit. And Malapaya Gas resumes delivery after maintenance works. Magandang araw po. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Huwag kayong aalis dahil ibabahagi ko sa inyo ang ating main news pagkaraan lamang nito. Okay, we're back. Ang ating main news ay tungkol po sa SM Prime Holdings. At po yun, SM Prime profit rises 38% as full rental fees resume. SM Prime Holdings reported a 38.1 growth in its consolidated net income to 30.1 billion last year from 21.8 billion a year earlier as it resumed collecting full rental fees. Meanwhile, the listed holding firm's consolidated revenues increased 28.6% to 105.8 billion last year. So dito po sa summary, sinasabi po niya na number 1, mall revenues more than doubled on higher foot traffic resumption of full rental fees. Number 2, residential revenues fell due to sales cancellations while reservation sales grew 3% year-on-year. And number 3, revenues from offices, hotel, and convention centers increased 59% year-on-year. So yan po ang ating main news at meron po pong isa, ito pong Metro Pacific LR Group to build biggest vegetable greenhouse. Ito po yun from the PhilStar. Metro Pacific Agro Ventures, the wholly owned agriculture unit of Metro Pacific's Corp, is putting up the country's biggest vegetable greenhouse facility under its second venture with Israeli firm LR Group with a 1 billion investment. Sitting on a 22-hectare property, MPFF will be the biggest modern vegetable greenhouse facility in the country, with the ability to produce high-quality vegetables all year round. The partners will be investing close to 1 billion to put up the project. So ito po ay mako-complete within 12 months and the supply is intended for Metro Manila. Ito po yung vegetables and I suppose fruits, no? And then, let's go now to your comments. Hello sir, pa-review po ng MWIDE Green ACEN SECB at home. Thank you sir, mula kay Danielo Daguna. Sige po, gawin po natin yan. And then, Katana, ano po ang percentage gain? Talaga hindi mo ako tinitigilan dito ha. Pero tama ka. So I'll just share with you this, ano. Ito po ay, teka, let me put that up. Sorry po. Yan. Okay, I made a summary of my winnings and losings. During 2021, I had 28 transactions. Trading po ito, no? I lost 127. 2022, I had also 28 transactions. Lost 13 but won 15. So, ang percentage win ko po is 54%. So, combining that, 2021 to 2022, I had a total of 56 transactions wherein I won 75% of those trades. Okay? Pero yung profit margin po is yung kita ko po over the purchases. Nakuha niyo po yun? Kasi yung gain on sale of sa trading, gain on trading kasi is selling price minus purchase price diba? So, yung diferensya po nun is your loss or gain. Kung mas malaki po yung sale nyo kaysa sa purchases, gain po yon. Kung mas malaki po yung purchases kaysa sa binenta nyo, loss po yon. Anyway, nag-profit po ako pero 19% lang po yung aking profit margin in 2021, but I won 96%. Pero yung profit margin ko po in 2022 is 85%, but I only won 54%. Na-trace ko po to sa isang transaction, isang stock na malaki po yung aking kinita doon. Kaya in spite of the 54% win, malaki po yung profit margin ko because of a windfall from one stock. So all in all, 2021 to 2022, my win rate is 75%. This is 42 over 56. Ito po, yung trades won is 42, total transaction is 56, that's 75. But the profit margin is 53%. So yung total net gain ko is over the total purchases. Ang net gain ko po is 53%. So, yun po. Ang aking batting average. So, makita nyo po, in 2 years time, 56 lang po ang ginawa ko. Matipid po ako more of a swing trader po ako. Hindi po ako scalper or short-term trader. So, medium to long-term trader po ako. Kaya ganito po kakonti ang aking mga transaction. Salamat Katana sa inyong tanong. Okay, so let's now go to the index at let me put back kalimutan ko na naman to at hindi nyo makita. Yan. Okay, we're back here. And let me just check the PSE index. Yan po. Gain po siya, no? Pero maliit lang po ang kanyang akyat. 56.84 points or 0.84%. Pero makikita nyo po yung ating mga indicators turning bearish na po. Turning bearish na po yung ating index. Yung ating market activity, 79 companies advanced, 94 declined, while 50 remained unchanged. Ang all-share index is 0.38% up. All the sectoral indices are up except for services, which declined 0.97%. Ang biggest gainer is the holding companies at 1.29%. Sa most active stocks naman, the most active is SM, 2.92% up, followed by Ali, which lost 52.52%, and BPI is number 3 at 4.11%. Yung top gainer naman natin, okay, meron dito. SM din, Okay, so that's it. But, re-reviewin po natin yung inyong mga request. Ito po yung request ni Danielo Daguna. MWIDE, Green, ACEN, SECB, and Home. So, let's take a look at those stocks. So, MWIDE muna. Okay, MWIDE is just consolidating. Nagkaroon po siya ng breakout dito noong February 7 with volume, no? And dahil po dyan, ngayon po ay nagko-consolidate po siya. Ito po yung consolidation pattern niya, no? Kasi after a breakout, nagko-consolidate po ang stocks. Kuminsan po, tumutuloy po yan, may continuation. Pero right now, it's consolidating at this point before it moves on to a higher phase, depende po sa market conditions. It has a dividend here. Yan, 50 centavos per share na, kailan ba to? March 24 pa ang payment date, but the X date is March 1. So I think it's reflected here. Yung X date po niya is March 1, pero the breakout occurred on February 7 pa. So yun po. So it's right now, bullish po yung stock, and on a short term, yung kanyang support nandito po sa area to. Yan po ang pinaka-support niya sa 405. So 405 is support level. And the next, kung tutuloy po yan at merong continuation, and I see the next level of resistance to be here at 455. Yun po ang aking nakikita in the next resistance level. So si green naman, green is, just a moment po, I bearish. Yun po. Nagkaroon po siya ng breakdown dito, another continuation breakdown, but there is a small bounce here. So oversold po yung stock. Oversold po siya. At tignan nyo po, no? Ito po yung oversold level nandito po. Pero marami pong potential sa renewable energy, greenery holdings. Renewable energy po siya. So, yan po ang aking tingin ay bearish po siya. So, tingnan natin ang pinaka-support niya. Let's draw a 1-week chart. Pinaka-support po dyan nandito 81 centavos. 81 centavos po ang pinaka-support niya. O 77, more or less 77. So, malayo pa po siya sa support. But, actually, this is also sitting on the higher support here at 124. So, yun ang aking tingin kay green. It's bearish. Maaring nagbabounce na po ito because it's oversold. But remember na anything goes at this point, ano? Hindi dahil oversold yan ay tuloy-tuloy na yung akyat yan, hindi po. Marami pong factors yan na nag-influence like economic and fundamentals also, yung earnings po niya, not only the technicals that's affecting the price of the stock. Okay, ACEN. Next. Okay, ACEN is just in general moving sideways, but it's bearish at this point, sideways to bearish, dahil yung kanyang candlestick ay nasa ilalim po. Kasi ito po yung pinaka-indicators natin, piercing through, but on the overall, it's sideways to bearish po ang dating. And the support is, this is support area actually. Yan po. Nasa 697 more or less, but kasi support and resistance area po yan, hindi po yan exact point, no? So nasa support level po siya. Yung resistance na higher, the nearest that I can see, 755 po, just moving sideways. But ACEN is a good investment. It's a good stock. It's a well-managed corporation, and its mother company is Ayala Corporation. Marami po siyang projects, and it's a nice investment because maganda po ang potential ng renewable energy, much more the management of ACEN. Okay, SECB has just joined the index. Okay, paakyat po siya. And it's bullish. Bullish po si SECB, ha? Let's draw a parallel channel here. More or less, ganyan po ang dating sa akin ng SECB. Yan po. Yan po ang dating sa akin ng SECB. And it's moving upwards. RSI is at 56.91. Bullish po. Above the midpoint lang po yan. But it's doing good in general. Silipin nga natin si BDO, how BDO is doing compared to SECB. Yan po. Nagko-consolidate din si BDO and it's bullish also, but SECB has a definite trend. Yan, pataas po siya. At the support just follows more or less the blue line of the medium term indicator. So support is at 93.38 or 93.89, while resistance is at 101.30, and it is moving upwards. Then home. Si home. Okay. Mukhang nagta-turn around si home, but right now it appears to be in consolidation, although hindi naman po siya nag-breakout, ano? Hindi po siya nag-breakout dito. The breakout occurred here, January 4, 2023, and the consolidation pattern is moving upwards. dito po, nagkaroon po ng surge and right now it's again consolidating yung home. No? Yan po siya. So right now here, there is a surge or green candlestick, but I wouldn't call it a breakout, but there is volume. So abangan po natin si home. So yung ating support ay nakikita ko po, I think this is support already on the short term. Nasa 275 more or less po ang pinaka-support level, while the resistance is here at 337. So, yan po ang dating po sa atin. And let's take a look at one of those which figure out. Biro mo, BPI at saka MBT. Akyat na silipin na natin si BPI. Just curious about BPI. Yun, nagkaroon po siya ng green engulfing candlestick. At saka si MBT. Ganun din, green engulfing candlestick po siya. But BDO, natin, ko-consolidate lang si BDO. So, inaabangan po niya yung earnings report. So, mukhang si BPI at si MBT, mukhang maganda yung earnings report niya. Nakaka-feel na yung market doon. But BDO ay wala pa po, no? Kaya po ganito po yung kanyang pattern. Ngayon, pagka nakaamoy na yung market on the earnings report of BDO, makikita po natin kung aakyat yan o bababa. But my guess is aakyat po yan. Because BDO management is very good. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-21 ng Pebrero. Ito po si Benji Chodoro. Nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless and bye for now.